Hey my friends, this is Kalam again here. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can add plugin from zip file. So first of all, you need to log in on Wordpress. So I have on, just go to plugin, then click on add new plugin. Okay, just go to upload plugin. You can see this is the top here. Now choose a file. So I paste this plugin. Okay, classic editor, then install. Just click on install, then activate plugin. Okay, it's already done. So if you have found this video helpful for you, make sure like and subscribe this channel. See you again, take care, goodbye.